Close your eyes and imagine the warm Mediterranean sun, the scent of sizzling chicken, the taste of fresh herbs and creamy feta. Now, open them because today we're making that dream a reality. We're crafting the ultimate Greek-style grilled chicken wraps. Get ready for a flavor explosion that leaves you craving more. We'll begin with the chicken marinade. For perfectly tender grilled chicken, begin by adding 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt to a bowl. For that lovely golden exterior, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1 teaspoon of dry oregano goes in next for that signature Greek taste. Now add half teaspoon of dry thyme. Cut a lemon in half and then squeeze the juice from one of those halves directly into the bowl. The lemon tenderizes the meat by breaking down its protein. Now we're going to mince up 3 cloves of garlic for that really deep flavor. Introduce 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika for a smoky undertone. Let's just mix this up real quick, and then don't forget the salt and pepper. Mix again, and the marinade is ready. Now, let's prepare the chicken by butterflying 4 chicken breasts just like this. Lay plastic wrap on a flat surface, place the chicken on top, and pound them flat to tenderize. After flattening the chicken, season both sides with salt and black pepper. Coat each piece of the chicken completely with the yogurt marinade. For the most tender and flavorful chicken, refrigerate for at least an hour, but overnight is recommended. Grill the chicken over medium-high heat using either a cast iron skillet or an outdoor barbecue grill for 4 to 6 minutes on each side. After the chicken is cooked through, allow the chicken to rest for 10 minutes prior to slicing to preserve its natural juices. Let's make a quick Greek salad, starting by combining 2 cups of mixed greens and half cup of diced red bell pepper. Following that, dice half cup of cucumber and half cup of tomato, adding them to the bowl. We definitely need some red onion for that emphatic Greek salad experience. Let's add half a cup. Of course, we need feta, so we'll add half cup. To bring it all together, add quarter cup of your favorite olives. For the dressing, pour a quarter cup of olive oil into a jar. Squeeze and add the juice from half a lemon. 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Include half teaspoon onion powder. Incorporate half teaspoon of garlic powder. Add a teaspoon of dried oregano. Lastly, we're going to add a pinch of salt and pepper. Put the lid on, tighten it up, and shake it until it gets a little thick. Let's pour that dressing on. Toss it up real good, and our Greek salad is ready to go. To begin making the tzatziki sauce, combine 1 cup of Greek yogurt and 1 clove of minced garlic. Next, squeeze out 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Pour 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Substitute 2 teaspoons pickle juice if no dough. Now season with salt and black pepper. Grab a cucumber and shred it until you have 1 cup. Place the shredded cucumber onto a paper towel and firmly squeeze to remove the excess liquid. Mix until the sauce is smooth and creamy. Place the tzatziki sauce into a jar and chill in the refrigerator for 1 hour. This Greek chicken wrap is a harmonious blend of vibrant, fresh flavors, savory, tangy, cool, and slightly sweet, capturing the essence of the Mediterranean. So savor this refreshing and healthy meal, a satisfying choice for lunch, or a delightful on-the-go picnic. So if you're looking for quick, easy, and delicious recipes, be sure to like and subscribe. And thanks for tuning in.
Chicken's moist, nice saltiness, zest. It's delicious.